Hi there and welcome to OneWay Community Management and HOA. This video is to help you if you're struggling with status letters, ARC forms or an ACC form for Tuscany. So some people have been struggling in the past. I'm just going to help you work through this. So if you go to resources, in this section you have different forms you can fill out. So you can either do the ARC form, which is the general form, you can do the one-way status letter, or you can do the ACC form for Tuscany. Now with each of these, it's pretty straightforward. Let's say I was to do the ARC form. Basically, you would click here, and it would open. And you would see as well down here, there's this fill out PDF above and then upload an email. So it's going to open, and it should open like this. Over here, you will add the information that needs to be added. Maybe it's the date or your name. So you would say Tuscany HOA. And now there's two options with this section. You can either fill it out like this, or on digital, or you could fill it out by printing it out, then writing in your information and emailing it to this email right over here, the arc@onewayhoa.com. And this is the general email that everything goes to in regards to the ARC status letter and Tuscany ACC form. So if I go back to the websites, something also that you want to make sure of before even opening one of these is just go to this link over here. And what this is, it's going to help your computer read the documents. This is the Adobe Reader, so that's why it says here if you have Adobe Reader installed, this is important, make sure to do this. So make sure you untick these boxes. You don't want to install McAfee security because you probably already have an antivirus, and this can just be annoying. So install the Adobe Reader Chrome extension, keep that one on, click install. It should start, and then it will pop up beneath or up here in downloads. So I'm waiting for that section, and any second now it'll pop up. There it goes, right down here. Now I say show in folder. You would click this, get it running, say yes, you trust this program, and the installation begins. Once the installation is complete, you're ready to go. This is just extra precaution so that you can fill out these forms if you don't have Adobe Reader. So I'm just going to close that because I already have this on my computer, and let's move back to the website. So as I was saying, we're in the form, we're filling it out. There I put Tuscany, I put in all my information. Now what we do over here is very important. You right click and click save as. Then you rename it to your name as well as status letter, or in this case ARC form. So I'm going to just do ARC. So let me show you here. I'm just going to put ARC form test. Save. So now that's saved to my computer. So just to recap, you have to right click and then click save as, and then rename it. I saved it to downloads, and now my form's ready to be sent. So I have two options. Option number one, I can just put in here my name, so test name, and then ARC. You put your own email here, so your email at gmail.com. Now you have to upload the file that you just saved. So I go and I find it over here. It's going to be ARC form test. You have to find where you've saved it. Click open. It should upload just like that. Once it's done, you hit submit. Once you hit submit, it will say thank you for sending us the file. Now, in some rare cases, like for example, when you're not filling it out digitally, you might be printing the file. You would do it a little differently. You would say print. Once you printed it out, you would write in your information by hand and then scan it into your computer. Once you've saved it, you would do the same process here, upload it and send it. Now, if this still doesn't work for you, the last option would be to email it to these two emails: info@onewayhoa and arc@onewayhoa. So you would go and jump into your email, for example, and you would compose a letter depending on what you're doing here, and then you would send it out. So you would just attach your file accordingly. So let me pull this up, and obviously we know it is the test ARC form over here. You just drag it over and voila, send it to the people, the emails I just showed you. Okay, so there we go. That's the 3 ways to do this. Something I want to show you as well is the status letter is about the same. You just hit apply, and at that section you would click download, and here we go. Here's the status letter, and you would send it, or you would fill in your information, click save as, and send it as well. So that's a quick rundown on how to do this. Hope this has helped you. Probably like the last thing I want to show you for OneWay HOA is if we were to do the mobile version. Mobile version works pretty much the same, and if I could show you over here, you would do the same thing. You hit apply, and then a form will open. You could fill it out, and then you would save it on your phone and send it back. This can be tricky on their phone or mobile device, but as long as you make sure that you've got this, let me show you, this Adobe Reader, your mobile should be good to go with sending this file to OneWay. Then once you're done, your name, your email, and upload that from your phone and hit submit. So there we've got it. If you have any more questions, feel free to call OneWay HOA at the number that they have provided, or contact us if you have any other struggles. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that helped you with filling out your forms for OneWay HOA. Thanks so much. Goodbye.